Meaning of Facebook.
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 Facebook. Facebook is a social networking website that was founded by Mark Zuckerberg in 2004. The website allows registered users to create profiles, upload photos and video, send messages and keep in touch with friends and family. In addition, it allows users to join common interest user groups, organize events, and share posts. Facebook has become one of the most popular websites on the internet and has had a profound impact on the way we communicate and interact with one another online.